Ready to turn up the curl? Let's talk about Lancome's Curl Goddess Mascara. Big curl that holds, boosted with volume without the weigh down. Let me show you the results on different lashes. Hey Audrey, so tell me about your lashes.
They're super straight, curl never stays.
Then you're going to love Curl Goddess. Its fast setting curl complex gives you that big curl, no heat required. Let me show you. See this twisted 40-degree brush? It hugs lashes, root to tip, to add curl and volume to every lash.
Wow, that's instant curl.
Right? Are you ready to try? You're going to see that there's this inside curve and then there's an outside. You're gonna start with the inside. You're gonna start from the base and you're gonna roll the brush upward. And that's how you're gonna lock in the curl.
I don't even need my curler anymore.
Exactly. Curl that holds for up to 30 hours. So Rochelle, tell me about your lashes.
They're thick, they curl, but they always fall.
You need volume that is lightweight. Curl Goddess is ultra volumizing, but weightless. The formula sets quickly, which helps get that curl, but holds the curl.
Amazing.
Sweep upward and hold for a second before releasing. That's gonna be your trick for bold, lasting curl.
Oh my God, my lashes have so much volume and they feel so soft. And look at that curl. Oh my gosh, this is amazing.
And that is the magic of Curl Goddess. Tanya, what do you like in a mascara?
Just something quick and easy. Curl, no fuss.
Perfect. Curl Goddess is for every lash type. One coat gives natural curl and volume, and you can build for maximum results.
Ooh, sounds good.
This is a curved brush, as you can see. The curve has an inside and the outside. So what you want to do is start with the inside. Apply as you would any mascara. The curve of the brush is going to follow your natural lash shape. You're going to flip it to the other side just to kind of separate for the full effect.
Wow, my lashes have never looked this curled.
With its fast-setting curl complex, inspired by hair technology, Curl Goddess is easy to apply for big curl that lasts.